Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inshallah, today we would learn to form simple sentences using two words, using two main words, and then we would learn also other vocabulary. We'll use the word hadha, which means this. And also we will use, after we finish using hadha, we will use hadhihi. What does hadhihi mean? It also means this. What's the difference between the two? Who knows? Yeah. Yeah. The difference between the two is هذا you use when you're talking about what we call a masculine word, and هذه feminine word. In English, we don't have masculine and feminine words, but in Arabic we do, and you'll understand as we go along. You'll see the usage as we go along. So say with me, هذا, this. Now the ha, you have to write an alif above it. I just don't know how to do it on the computer. If there was a whiteboard there, a blackboard, you could just draw a line, a vertical line above the ha. I'm telling you that so you know how to do it by yourself. هذه, this. And that's the same thing. You put a vertical line above the ha. Now let's learn a word, masjidun, which literally means masjid. We really don't need to translate that, we know what it is. But literally it means a place of prostration. A place where you prostrate, you put your face on the ground. Excuse me. We form a sentence now, the most basic sentence. هذا مسجد. Say that. هذا مسجد. This is a masjid. Yeah. Let's form another sentence. هذا كتاب. This is a book. Repeat. هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذا قلم. This is a pen. So whenever we're saying this is, whenever you use the word هذا, you have to be indicating something. You have to be pointing or holding something. So you will hold up a pen and say هذا قلم, a book. هذا كتاب. So you need to be pointing or indicating to something at the time, or referring to something. Let's form another word. هذا رجل. هذا رجل. 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 This is a man. هذا ولد. هذا ولد. This is a boy. Okay. Now, just want to remind you of an important rule, is that there are three parts of speech in the Arabic language. Parts of speech mean the kinds of words that make up speech. We have three kinds of words in Arabic language. I mentioned this to you before. I want to remind you what we're doing here. One of them is called al-ism, which are like names of places and things and so on, just like nouns, but it's more than nouns. One is al-fi'lu, which are verbs, and one is al-harf, which are like prepositions and conjunctions and so on. Right now we're dealing with al-ism. Most asma is the plural of ism, will always have tanween dhamma at the end. See that? And you're not allowed to change that tanween dhamma to tanween fatha or tanween kasra or one dhamma or one fatha or one kasra without a reason. You have to leave it as tanween. So you say masjidun. Do you say hadha masjidin? La. La. You have to have a reason. What's a reason? You don't know that yet. I can mention it to you, but it's going to just confuse you. I'll just say it. I'll say it so you can hear. Nazartu ila masjidin. Nazartu ila masjidin. I looked at a masjid. Because of the word ila, we will change it to masjidin. See that? If you say I saw a masjid, you say ra'aytu masjidan because it's the object. So we have a reason. You need to have a reason. Right now we don't have a reason. We leave it the way it is. See that? We leave it the way it is. The same for kitabun. هذا كتاب. هذا قلم. هذا رجل. هذا ولد. So here we have 5 examples of sentences using the word هذا. Now if you were to look in Quran, you'll find tons of examples of the word هذا being used. Let's use the other word. هذه. هذه. Can we say هذه masjid? Why not? Masjid is a masculine word. See that? Why is it? It's just language. It's just the way the language is. But if we were to use a different word and say, for instance, sayyara. Who knows the word sayyara? What does it mean? Sayyaratun. هذه سيارة. What does that mean? This is a car. No, it means this is a car. هذه سيارة. Say that. هذه سيارة. Okay. If we were to use another word, let's say a bag. What's a bag? هذه. Gotta switch back to Arabic. هذه هي حقيبة. حقيبة. So let's put in the vowels there. What vowel do we put on the ha? Fatha. Come on, we learned that already. I'm just reminding you. On the qaf, kasra. On the ya, sukun. On the ba, fatha. On the ta, tanween kasra, right? Is that correct? Is that correct? No, it's not. You're not supposed to change the tanween dhamma to anything else without a reason, and there's no reason. The word is in its original form, you leave it like that. In fact, there is a reason to keep it with tanween dhamma. But I don't want to confuse you right now with the grammar rule. It's called, it's because it's khabar. It's khabar. No, it's what's called the predicate. Subject and predicate. This is a bag. Let's take another word. هذه. هذه. بنت. This is a bintun. This is a girl. هذه بنت. Say with me. هذه بنت. This is a girl. Okay, let's learn another one. What is a woman? هذه امرأة. That's a hard word. هذه. Say with me. هذه امرأة. هذه امرأة. This is a woman. So you notice the difference. Let's take one more example. هذه. Say with me. هذه صلاة. This is a salah, or this is a prayer. This is a prayer, prayer. The way we pray. So let's go over this again quickly. So we have these two words. هذا means this. هذه means this. Then we have the word masjid. Means masjid, or a place of prostration. هذا مسجد. This is a masjid. هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا رجل. This is a man. هذا ولد. This is a boy. هذه سيارة. هذه حقيبة, or a handbag. هذه بنت. هذه امرأة. هذه صلاة. This is a salat. So those are all basic sentences using the word هذا and هذه. And this is a lot. This is found a lot in Quran. So I'm going to explain to you a little grammar rule here. I don't know if you all are too